So I need to cut a hole in this 12 by 12 porcelain tile for the toilet flange. And the size of the hole is going to be just so that it just fits under the flange. You want the toilet flange sitting on top of the tile. But anyway, to cut the hole, I'm using a angle grinder cutting dry cutting blade. And first thing I do is I score all the way around where the hole needs to be. I don't try and go all the way through. I'm just making a pretty deep score all the way around. And once I have that score line in, and I'm just going to finish it up right here. And then I get my grinder and I start to plunge it in and out a little bit. Not trying to go all the way through, because if you try and go all the way through all at once, it's probably going to crack the tile. So you make a few passes, you plunge it in and out, going down a little bit, all the way around, and you just keep on doing right through the tile. And that's pretty much all there is to do it. So you want to make sure that you're in a well-ventilated area. I always try and do it outside when I can. Sometimes if it's raining in August, I can't do it outside. But you want to be in a well-ventilated area because there's going to be a lot of dust. So that's pretty much it. It's pretty straightforward. Just take your time and go slow. It takes me to one of these, depending on the tile and the thickness of the tile and the hardness of the tile. It's going to take only a few minutes to cut through it. So, and if the tile is soft, it's going to take even less time. So anyway, that's pretty much how you cut a hole for a toilet flange. And this does not have to be a precision hole, because it's going to be covered, number one, by the flange, and then number two, the toilet's going to be sitting on it, so it's never going to be seen.